Hello. Today I will tell you what needs to be done with a tomato bush so that all the flowers are pollinated and fruits appear on the tomatoes. Because they often write to me in the comments on YouTube and ask me to explain the reason. Tomatoes bloom well in a greenhouse, but then the flowers fall off and there are no fruits. And this, in turn, is the loss of the crop. In fact, everything is very simple. The main thing is to understand the structure of the flower of tomatoes. In this photo, a tomato flower from my greenhouse. The number 1 indicates the stamens fused into a cone, and the number 2 is the stigma of the pistil. It is inside, and the tomato flower itself, no matter what, undersized or tall, it is bisexual. What does self-pollinated mean? And actually the reason why pollination of tomato flowers in greenhouses does not occur is that there are no natural pollinators in the greenhouse. Like the bees in the wind. A bee sits on a flower, shakes it, and the pollen flying off pollinates the flower. In the same way, the wind shakes the tomato bush and the pollen scatters pollinating the flowers. And to help the flowers to pollinate, every day I go into the greenhouse I do the following. I go up to each bush and lightly knock on the garter rope. Thus, the bush is shaken and the pollen pollinates the flowers. And if your tomatoes grow without garters, then just shake the bush by the stem or lightly tap it. The main thing is to do this carefully so as not to harm the tomatoes. You need to do this procedure every day in the morning. Because pollen ripens at this time. As I said, we do this every day, as long as there are flowers on the bushes. Because the bushes grow and lay new flowers, and they need to be pollinated. Also, an excellent pollinator is the carrying out of agricultural techniques on tomatoes, namely the removal of suckers and pruning of leaves. And how to do it right, I have already shown in previous videos on my channel. So come and have a look. And if you have not done this procedure on tomatoes, then be sure to start, and there will be so many fruits that you will not know where to put them. If the information was useful, like and subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you.